I tried.
Okay, that's it. Okay, stop. With my parents and I'm on a cruise. Just please, just let us go. No,
You're gonna have to stay tonight.
June 1, 2024, Monroe County, Florida. A public disturbance rapidly escalates into a felony arrest.
I tried.
Okay, that's it. Thank you. Okay, that's it. Thank you. Let's go.
All right.
No, it's fine. It's fine.
It's not fine because he's behind the counter.
Yeah, it's fine. Go. Just go, babe. It's fine. Like, there was just...
No. Sit down.
Babe, all right.
Hey,
All right, babe,
let's go.
Hey, don't touch me.
All right, babe, all right. Stop.
I don't care where you're from. Sit down.
Stop.
Sit down somewhere.
Just sit.
Sit down.
It's fine, please.
It's not fine.
He got...
What do you mean it's not fine?
You didn't find the ID.
Babe.
You don't all that to show us a fucking
Find an
passport.
ID.
Show a
I am. All right.
is he gonna
It's
do?
fine. Please, just leave him alone. I have my kids here. All right,
What are you gonna do?
Stop.
What are you gonna do?
Please stop.
Oh, I can't arrest you.
All right, look,
I
just stop.
can't arrest you.
For
Leave
what?
him alone. Stop. You're good. You're good. This is why you don't drink. Stop.
For what?
Stop.
Alright, show him.
That's
For
it.
what?
That's it. You don't even know. It's okay.
Because I know the legal
Just stop. We're on a cruise. You cannot get arrested right now.
What can you
Stop.
attract me for?
Please stop. Oh my God. All right, just stop. Just leave it alone. Don't listen to him. Can you stop?
That's not the way it works.
Yeah, it does. Don't
Stop! You're gonna go to jail and then what? I'm gonna be alone on
You're
the
about to
cruise.
get placed in
Close
custody.
your
Alright,
eyes.
stop! You're gonna get arrested and I have to go alone on the cruise. Please stop!
After, fella.
I'm done.
Alright.
Yeah, that's it. Stop. Alright, stop. I'm begging you, stop! We're on a cruise!
Fine. I'm saying why? Because
That's it! Okay, stop! We're on a cruise! You cannot get arrested!
Car cool.
Alright, stop! Stop! We're on a cruise! You cannot get arrested! Then what? You're gonna be in the Bahamas! Stop! You see? There you go. There you go. There you go, bro. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Now you're gonna be in jail, and then what?
For what? They can't arrest me.
They're gonna arrest you for that.
No, they can't. For what?
So be quiet. Shut your mouth.
I didn't do nothing.
Shut it.
At the very least, disorderly.
All right, please. All right. Look.
That's the sergeant.
Please, look.
That's
He
the
tried.
sergeant.
He
Sergeant.
tried. Look. He tried
Sergeant,
to
come here,
talk.
bro.
He tried to. Can I
Sergeant.
talk? Can you shut your mouth?
I don't want to talk
Shut
to
up. Hey, look.
I want to talk to the sergeant.
Look. All he tried to do was
Sergeant.
tip, and the guy like went like this, and said like he like wiped his hand away, and so it set him off. But please, I'm asking of you. My kids are home with my parents, and I'm on a cruise. Just let us walk out, and that's it. I'm begging of you.
Ma'am, that's up to him.
Huh?
Ma'am, that's up to him.
Yeah,
Huh?
that's up to him.
And the attitude he's been given so far.
Because
Right.
if he were
Okay, just stop.
here, hold on.
Because if you act good, we're leaving. Just stop.
Talk to me.
Please, I'm begging of you. We have our
Hey.
kids at home.
Talk to me real quick. Here's the problem.
We
Wait,
did a
hold
pub
on.
crawl, and it's just like
get it.
the guy set him off, and that's
Hey,
it. I'm
Let
begging
me
you.
talk real quick.
All right, babe. Okay, I'm talking to them. Just stop.
His attitude is going to indicate a continuation if he leaves.
I know. No, we're leaving. We're going back to the cruise. We're
If
fine.
you guys leave here, go back to the. If I get called on him again, he's going to jail.
Right. That's fine.
There's.
Okay, so look.
We gotta figure out what else to do. Sit down.
We're not done yet.
Sit down.
They're saying good.
I'm saying thank you.
He said thank you. He
I
said
want you
thank
to
you.
sit down.
I'm saying
You can
thank
say
you.
thank you after we're
After,
done. Sit
after,
down.
saying
after.
thank
We're not done
Sit
yet.
down. We're not
After.
done
Just
yet.
sit down, please. Babe.
Okay.
No.
Yeah, I just finished. He's going on disorderly.
Okay.
Let's go.
All right.
Thank you. You see?
Stand up.
All right. Stand up.
No, please stop. No, don't stop.
You better let go of me.
Guys, stop.
Let go of me. Now.
Let go.
Oh my God.
Let go. Let go.
I cannot believe this.
You're about to get seriously injured. You better let go of my mother collar.
Babe, you did this to yourself.
Stand back. Stand back. Let go.
Babe, stop.
can't breathe.
Put your hands, you're gonna get tasered.
I said okay.
Put your hands behind your back or you're getting tasered.
I said okay. Fuck you. I said okay. I said okay.
Better quit pulling away. Stop! Stop!
I should have been.
I cannot believe it.
I said okay.
I cannot believe it.
Alright, whatever. It's a lawsuit. Relax.
No, please.
Because of the force. Why are you guys arresting me for what?
Please
I
don't.
didn't go over an hour. Okay. I can't wait.
Please don't send him to jail. Please.
Back up.
Back up.
Alright.
Oh my God.
24 to 12, you're probably going to want to respond out here. 14 license, 6
Oh my God. Babe.
Stand up.
Babe, look at what you did. I cannot believe it.
Stand up.
Hey, you're not landing with the process. Why do you have to go over here? You guys got a lawsuit on your foot.
I cannot believe it.
Can't hurt.
What do I do? What do I do? Oh my God.
You need to stay back. You need to stay back.
I'm sorry.
You need to stay back.
That's too hot. That's too hot. That's too hot. That's too hot. You f***ing idiot. F*** you. I said it's too hot. I said it's too hot. You f***ing that's it's against my lawsuit.
You were not in the car.
Crack your crack. You don't know what the f*** you're talking about. You dumb f***.
All right, babe, please stop.
You dumb f***. It's too hot. It's too hot. You have to give me air
What do I
ventilation.
do?
Dumb fuck.
You're on a cruise ship here? You good? Dustin.
Let me go get the air. We got to finish. Last one I had. You good?
Yeah.
I was gonna put the window, but he's not gonna stop talking.
Yeah. Does he know your phone number by heart?
That is my birthday.
Is he figuring out if we have anything with the food?
Do you have his phone or anything you want him to go with? No, yes. They're
Can
gonna
I get
take
him out
soon.
tomorrow?
Why? I don't know what time that is. Tomorrow, yes. Where are you guys from?
Miami is my birthday tomorrow. It's like, man, like
I think he's inside right now.
now I'm literally on the boat by myself. I'm literally like,
I'll get with him.
it's like, can I ask you, like, tomorrow's my birthday, like, how can I get him out?
He's not going to be out by tomorrow. I mean, he'll have to go to first appearance tomorrow morning.
What do I do by myself now on the boat?
I mean, you have your ticket. You're going to have to go home or and send someone back down, or you're going to have to stay tonight. You're from Miami, right? You either have to find a hotel and stay the night, or you're going to have to go home and then come back down. He made this decision. We tried to allow you guys to go, and you wanted to continue.
You can't let him go.
No,
Absolutely not.
not after fighting. He's going to jail for sure.
Can I at least
No, it's just making matters worse. Every time you talk to him, you got amped back up in there.
So what do I do now?
Go back to the boat.
You're
And
free to
then-
go.
You can call down the county in the morning
It's Monroe County Sheriff's Office.
How do I get back? Do you know?
How do you get back where?
To the boat.
Yep,
Straight down that way.
yep, you'll see it as you go down that way. Pretty much all the way at the end. All the way at the end and to your left.
Same Mallory Square on the GPS.
So he won't be out tomorrow.
Probably not.
Maybe in the afternoon, but he's got to go see the judge first.
Because I'll promise you this, man, if he continues to act this way, the judge is not
Can
going
you
to see him.
do me a favor? I'm just asking you from the kindness of my heart. When I leave, talk to him kindly and just tell him what I said.
I've been trying to from the minute we
He's just
walked in.
upset. But tell him if he talks calmly, he'll
Do you have Paul's in here?
I had gloves on. He didn't break the
Oh,
glove.
okay.
Florida Statute 87703 defines disorderly conduct as acts that outrage public decency or affect the peace of witnesses. While offensive speech toward law enforcement is generally protected by the First Amendment, unprovoked physical contact with a civilian establishes independent probable cause for battery under Florida Statute 784.03. Physical resistance against law enforcement immediately elevates a misdemeanor encounter to a third-degree felony. Under Florida Statute 84301, knowingly and willfully resisting an officer by offering or doing violence is a felony offense. Grabbing an officer's uniform or aggressively closing the reactionary gap constitutes an overt act of violence under this statute. The Supreme Court in Graham v. Connor establishes the objective reasonableness standard for police use of force. Officers are legally authorized to deploy proportional force, including less lethal weapons, to overcome active physical resistance.
Get out. You're going to step into your sandals. Need some help standing up?
Yes, sir.
All right. Put your feet in your sandals.
Thank you, sir.
Got you.
She's
You're
hurt.
good.
She's hurt. She's hurt. She's hurt.
All right, pull it out a little bit. There you go.
Thank you, sir.
That's
Nothing wrong. I'm wrong.
Yep.
Sir, no way, please. I can't feel my hand. I can't feel my hand. No, left hand.
That one's pretty loose, man.
No, it's not. I'm telling you right now.
Hey, listen.
It's not him. It's
We're
not
going upstairs and then
It's
they're
not
running off.
But it's not him.
Goes in the corner to the left.
And right
Thank
the
you,
door.
sir. Thank you, sir. I'm actually very, very kind.
Okay.
Can I be loose tonight?
No, you won't be loose
For the
tonight.
kids, man. You have no kids?
I have kids.
Okay? So what the fuck? You never drink in your life?
Hey,
Okay.
chill out, man.
You never drink in life?
Calm down.
Chill out.
You guys never drank in your life? This You've never drank in your life, you
It's on
bald,
your right.
ugly
Go sit down on the bed.
I'm going to go like you control my record. Go ahead, take a seat.
Sit down.
Right there.
You never drink, you
Sit
ugly
down.
bald fuck.
Sit down.
You bald f. I know you're bald.
Transport.
You should let me go.
Why?
I'm not a asshole, man. I'm not a
What's that?
I have better hairlines than all four of you.
I don't know about that.
Yeah, you, especially you, mother.
I don't know. I got pretty good hair. You
No,
got pretty good hair
fuck.
too.
We do.
Yeah, for how old are you? How old are you?
I don't know. He
No,
ain't got no hair now.
you're horrible. You're done. You have a horrible hairline. How about you? Well, how old are you?
It's alright,
I'll
it's
do-
not a big thing, so.
That's probably the
It
nicest
doesn't
thing
matter.
anybody said to you today.
I'm more accepting than you. I do AC. You're gonna feel like a dick when you feel that when I work for it. I work for the county. Sure. I work for the county. You guys are gonna feel like
Okay.
I'm just talking about hairlines. It's not that big of a deal. You have a better hairline than 20-some-year-olds. That's great. You feel great about that, right?
Sure.
Why are they upset? I'm just talking about hairlines. Can I talk about that? I'm just talking about their hairlines. You don't think we're essential? Sir,
What?
you don't think we're essential?
Who's
You think
essential?
we're
Who?
AC guys?
No, I love AC guys.
Ask these guys.
I'm sure they do too.
I'm one of them. I stopped at 7 o'clock. This is an asshole move that you guys pulled on me, man. I was pro cops. But after this call, man, can I just get these removed?
Yeah, they're gonna take them
I'm
off
not
in a
gonna do
second.
nothing. I'm not gonna do
What?
anything, man.
You talk to,
Please, sir.
the victim inside,
Sir.
right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll do supplemental.
I'm not gonna lose my job for this shit. Please, sir, please.
You have to stay in cuffs
Like,
until they
look at
come.
my, please, man. Like, I'll say against Chris. Court order, like, please,
Are you gonna do a sup on that side?
please, man.
I'll
I'm
do,
not
because
gonna
the
do
PC
this shit,
statement
man.
won't be for, or do we need to add that in the PC statement too?
No, absolutely.
I didn't talk to him, but he'll be doing the sup for that.
Well, that's why we're there.
Okay, so we'll just do a brief
Yeah.
blurb.
See,
See sup.
yeah.
Okay. I mean, that's how we would do it too, so.
I'm not doing.
Because he gave me a brief rundown, so.
I mean, it was still ongoing when we arrived too, so.
Oh, yeah. And he brought up a good.
You assholes will be in the same position as back in the day.
Yeah, there's that too.
Sir,
What's
you
up?
guys will be in the same position back today. I'm gonna trade. Who the cares? If I drink 2 beers, 3 beers, who the cares? It's the same back in the day. Who the cares?
Under Florida law, voluntary intoxication is not a legally valid defense for general intent crimes, including battery and resisting arrest. The First Amendment protects verbal expression, but explicitly does not protect physical aggression or obstruction. Disputes regarding the legality of an arrest must be challenged in a court of law, never through physical resistance on the street.